Have you ever heard a loaf of bread sing? The subtle crackle, the gentle sigh of steam, it's a symphony. More than just a sound, it's a testament to a complex, beautiful science at play within each loaf. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of sourdough, exploring the secrets behind its unique texture and sound. From the bubbling starter to the final, satisfying slice, every stage is a marvel of natural processes. But what truly makes sourdough so special? The answer lies in the science of fermentation and gluten. Our journey begins with the sourdough starter, a living ecosystem of wild yeast and bacteria. These microorganisms consume sugars, producing carbon dioxide gas and organic acids. This gas is crucial for the bread's airy structure, creating pockets within the dough. Next, we encounter gluten, the protein network that gives bread its elasticity and strength. As dough is kneaded, gluten strands align and develop, forming a resilient matrix. This network traps the carbon dioxide produced by the yeast, allowing the dough to rise. Observe the dough expanding in a warm proofing basket, a testament to active fermentation. The yeast activity and carbon dioxide buildup are fundamental to the bread's texture, and the gluten network provides the structural integrity, holding those gas pockets in place. But what about the singing? That distinctive crackle comes from steam pressure. As the bread cools, moisture escapes, causing the crust to contract and crackle. Let's explore the internal architecture of a sourdough loaf with cross-section animations. These animations reveal how gas pockets grow, creating the open, airy crumb we cherish during baking. Another critical process occurs, the Maillard reaction. This reaction between amino acids and sugars creates the crust's rich color and complex flavors. It's the Maillard reaction that gives sourdough its signature golden brown, crispy exterior. Beyond the science, there's the baker's craft, an art refined over centuries. A crucial step is scoring the dough, not just for aesthetics, but for controlled expansion. This allows the loaf to spring dramatically in the oven, creating its iconic shape. The intense heat causes trapped gases to expand rapidly, pushing the dough upwards. This oven spring is a beautiful dance between physics and biology, a moment of transformation. Throughout the baking process, subtle sounds fill the air, the gentle hiss, the crackle. These are the whispers of science at work, creating the perfect loaf. And now the grand finale, the moment of truth, slicing into the finished masterpiece. Listen closely as the crust yields, releasing that unmistakable, satisfying sing, and then the steam. A visual confirmation of the bread's freshness and internal moisture. This visual and auditory experience culminates in a truly satisfying conclusion. Every bubble, every crackle, every golden hue tells a story of transformation. It's a story where humble ingredients, guided by natural processes, become something extraordinary. The science of texture in sourdough is a testament to nature's artistry. It's where complex chemistry meets the simple joy of artisan bread.